Imagine yourself floating, weightless, supported, total bliss. This heavenly experience occurs in a flotation tank, which is a large, light-proof, soundproof capsule with 10 inches of water and 800 pounds of Epsom salts dissolved into it. During flotation, the lack of sensory input allows the body to tap into its innate healing powers. As muscle tension melts away, you find yourself floating, weightless and free like an astronaut in zero-gravity conditions. There's no light, no sound. The air and the water temperature is the same as your body. So you have no real sensation of where you're in the water and where you're not. The Epsom salt makes the water 10 times denser and more buoyant than seawater. So you find yourself floating like a cork right at the top of the water.
In the tank, there is a sense of weightlessness, and there's a sense of, while I'm in there, the layers of stress just peel off of me slowly. And then by the time I come out, it's like, I feel like me again.
The brain quiets down from its normal alpha wave frequency, which is about 15 to 18 hertz, and the chattery mind that we normally are used to. In the tank, you drop into a theta state, which is about 5 to 8 hertz. It's a very lucid state where you can access intuitive knowledge and creativity. It's mind-blowing. It's great for chronic back, neck, and shoulder pain, recurrent headaches, sports injuries, old patterned injuries, and even fibromyalgia. It's like getting a natural chiropractic adjustment. Your organs get a much-deserved vacation. Everything comes out rejuvenated. The tanks are also great for people who are in transition or seeking a change in their life, as they facilitate access to intuition, clarity, and creative energy. We're also a full-service spa, offering massage, shiatsu, hot stone massage, polarity and cranial sacral therapies, reconnective healing, and a far infrared sauna. And all of these modalities work great with the flotation tank as well. Santa Fe is like a magical vortex of healing. The earth in this part of the country is amazing. The sky, the stars, just being that close to the stars and clear blue skies, it's beautiful and it's very healing to the body. We invite you to make tranquility your magical oasis in the high desert of Santa Fe.